if you enroll for basis application and basis on ANA, this is what will go. Then landscape overview,
Okay, can you start the
S-
session?
HTMS. Your friends have joined.
I already joined.
HTMS configuration. I mean, they are with you.
Ah,
Uh,
you with me.
okay, cool. So, okay, cool. I will start the screen sharing first.
For sure.
Do let me know once you're able to see my screen. Uh, yes. Actually, my ANA user has got locked. I have updated team to unlock it. So I'm just
Okay.
waiting for them. You once check with the, I mean, team is here, Anish and uh, was that Antaksh? I'm sorry.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah. But right now, what I will, show, this is the ANA Studio. You have seen ANA Studio, right?
I work on the HANA Studio. I already created logs, how to generate logs. They enabled the logs file. Already I've created.
Okay, yeah, good to know that. I don't want this console, open administration console. Okay, so then here we add system. This part you know, right? How do we add system, all this
Okay,
stuff.
okay.
Okay, so this is ANA Studio. Right now I don't have any credential with me. Maybe as part of this training, I'll get it later. Okay, now as part of demo from application level, what I do, I will show you how do we, um, check the load performance of HANA database. Cool. Uh, one minute.
Just a moment, eh? Just a moment.
Cool, no problem. Yeah.
Continue.
Okay. Mm, okay. Credentials. 1 minute. Okay, here it is. Okay, so there is a T code called TB02. Have you anytime went through this T code?
TB02.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so this T code will provide you all database related, um, stuffs here. So let screen is a bit slow. 1 minute. Yeah, see. So for example, this system SID is S4H, which is connected to HDB database. Database name is
Okay.
HDB again. Database SID. Lies on this server, and this is the release current release. I mean database version 2, SP5 revision 9. Okay. So, but here I'm as part of today's demo. What I'm going to show you DB performance. How do we monitor DB performance? So you
Okay.
just click here from application level. You
Okay.
can even do the same in database, but as
Okay.
right now I don't have a database access, I got stuck there. So I'm just going around with application part. Okay.
Okay.
From application, how do we monitor database? Cool, that's it, simple.
Hmm.
So here under performance tab, see, you can able to see the system configuration, all the stuffs here. If you click on system, so you see configure system is one. You see here, right, S4H again, DB user through which they connected as SAP HANA DB. So all the stuffs you get there. Then again in performance, you have
Hmm.
expensive statement. You can run the query, but you cannot do any. You can only you give have the display option here.
Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
can even run query, everything you can do, but not update or drop command you can
I will
execute
select
anything.
select query only.
Yeah, just select query exactly. So now I'll click on load history. Okay, so for example, you are already in environment, customer environment, or you have a SAP system. So your customer is reporting that there was a huge load last week. Okay, or in the last 3 or 4 hours. So this is how you get through that uh, uh, you know analysis, step by step. How do you find the root cause of that load? Okay,
Okay.
so you click your load history here. So you can filter here last 24 hours. You also you can below custom selection also there. Okay, last 7 days you can see. In custom selection you can also see for last 1 week, 1 month, whatever. Okay, so if you give
Mm.
custom selection, this from to date it will get enabled. So let me just give for last 24 hours or last 7 days. I will go filter of
Okay.
last 7 days.
Okay.
Okay, I will minimize the screen size. Okay, I still want to reduce the screen size. Okay, so if you're able to see my screen here, so this is the
Mm.
server, database server. Okay, so now for if you want to know the CPU usage for last 7 days, just click the CPU. You'll get the
Okay.
chart appearing here. See, you can able to see the chart appearance. Okay,
Okay.
so you can also able to get the CPU percentage used here.
Mm.
Maximum CPU percentage used is it is showing 100. That too when you can click here pointer, it will give you the time below. 1 minute. You should click 2 or 3 times to get that below. You will get that timestamp. By this time, this was 100% CPU utilized 100%.
Okay. Okay.
It takes some time. You need to show some patience. Try to. Uh, I need to drag this. No, no. It will appear here. 1 minute or I over. So you will get a time frame here. Okay.
Okay.
So by this
Okay.
time frame, you will get a message saying 1 minute. It is bit slow because it's a demo server, right?
Mm.
But in real time, if you even check in your laptop parallel, you will get to know. You will be getting
Okay.
some time. But this time frame, this is reached 100%. You will get what's happening here. So with that, what you can do, let me cancel this. Stop transaction. I'll come back again. Okay, I got it there. So I'm again going to DB02 load history. So you'll get that screen. Yep, you're here. Okay, I will.
So what is the T code?
D.
TB02.
Yep, yep. It is DB02.
DB.
Yeah, it is DB.
DB database.
Yeah, DB02.
T for Tata, Bombay.
DB database DB02.
Okay. 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 Got it.
See, okay, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
You able to get it there
Sure.
in your screen?
Uh, okay. Continue. Hello.
Yeah, 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 I'm continuing. 1 minute. So like this, you can also check for database used memory as well.
Okay. This can also check from HANA Studio also.
Yes, obviously you're right. But
Mhm.
again, I'm telling right, I don't have access now for database HANA Studio, so
Okay,
I'm
no, no,
just
no. No problem. No problem.
I'm just doing it here. See, database used memory. You can check
Hmm.
this. See, database used memory. It is showing.
Hmm.
1 second. See, yeah, this is database used memory. Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, again, 1 minute. So yeah, this is database used memory. Maximum database used memory is 88,733, which is in MB. Okay, here it is showing unit whatever it is showing is in MB, which is 88 MB. Okay, average used is 86. Okay, so
Hmm.
the peak for this 7 days is here, right? If you
Okay.
see my pointer, it is showing here.
Hmm.
Just try to click at this pointer. It will give you a time frame that this in this time frame. Okay, the database used memory is I. But that is what I'm trying to. But I'm not sure why I'm not getting here. Maybe I need to. Maybe let me click somewhere else. So below it will show the time frame actually, Abhijit. Okay. I don't know why
Okay.
it is still not showing here. Maybe with the interface, I need to reduce the size of this interface. Uh, Not here.
Yeah, training. You're working on the Windows server, na?
Yeah.
This is the Windows server.
Yeah, you're right. This is
Normal,
a Windows server. I
normally
just
our
want.
SAP, normally our SAP is installed in the Linux.
Nah, you're right. It is Linux only. Ana, if you
Uh,
say Ana version from certain version, it is Linux. Okay, but
okay.
this SAP logon is compatible for Windows.
Different.
Okay, so I mean to say logon
SAP GUI is in window.
is Windows. So I'm doing it in Windows only. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, this is the peak time. So it will show the time frame below, but I'm not able to get it here. For example, consider it is
Is
showing.
it possible the HANA installed in Windows Server?
Ana database, you mean to say, or
I'm
Ana
asking
Studio?
HANA Studio database.
Ana database, it is possible, but for older release, for newer releases, it is only compatible with Linux.
Linux, अच्छा.
Okay,
Hmm.
so it is
Hmm.
only compatible with Linux. Recently, I installed the latest ANA database.
Okay.
Okay, so consider here it's still not showing time frame. Maybe I'll get a so it will show give you the time frame that this is the time frame. This is the peak highest peak happen. So how do
Hmm.
you need to troubleshoot further? Is go to /0 SM37. You know what does SM37 does?
It's a 37, I know.
It's a background jobs. Okay,
Huh.
you just check between that time frame what are the number of jobs ran in your system.
Okay.
Okay, but
Huh.
this is a demo server, this is dummy server. Just keep that mind in Avijit. Keep
Hmm.
this in mind, Avijit, because you will not have any load in the system, to be frank. But if you
Hmm.
goes to customer environment, consider there will be huge load running. Am I right? So 37 I'm just giving you some time, a time like a time frame between. Consider it there the peak happened for 30 minutes or something. Okay, started hanging again. Okay, so same time I will copy, I will paste it here, whatever time frame it is showing there. Okay,
Hmm.
but yeah, right now it is not, it didn't show. I just gave some random time. I just gave 45 minutes from here to here, 45. Okay, so with this time frame you just cross check what are the number of jobs ran,
Hmm.
finish job. Okay, you need to see the job run seconds. see the finished job, right? But duration will be there. So if there is huge load or high peak in during that time frame, the duration will show here will be, more duration
Hmm.
second, I mean job ran duration. So you need to check the user, who's that user who created the job, and you need to drop a mail. The another thing is there is a report called stat, transaction code called stat. Okay, what those job have done in a system. So 1 minute, the system is slow. You able to see my screen, right?
Sure.
So here, this is the stat transaction code. Whatever
Hmm.
the highest peak has happened, na, same during that time frame. You filter here. Okay, 7, and again I'm just giving time here. Okay, 1 minute. I know it's a problem with my, see there is issue with the server RDP, remote desktop server.
Hmm.
What happened? Zara slow. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it. So here you just change it to 12, and here length it is asking from 12 to till when. I'll just give it as 3 hours. From
Hmm.
I want to check the peak memory usage, that time frame in mean some 3 hours of buffer time I'm giving. So in that 3 hours, what did system happen, why system has huge load. So you can check there. So here if I give, see, show all stage records sorted by time, show all records grouped by business transaction, show all transaction totally. So you just give enter, you don't need to do anything, just give enter. So you will get entire pura whatever jobs, what function module, what above program has caused that delay. But here again I'm telling, this is the demo server, you have nothing here. Okay.
Hmm.
So but in really if you see, I'll go to again server issue. I'll take a picture and I'll send it to them. Okay, I got it back.
Hmm.
So it will show. See, this is the above program ran during this time. It used this server, and it will show, response till what time this program is running. Okay, 1 minute. It will show what that above program is doing. Okay, either insert or see db request. What is the db request? If you double click here, it will show what actually it did in db, whether it did the update record or it did some insertion into the database table, or it will provide us full information. So with this analysis, we will be reaching out to the customer. See, saying that, so we have analyzed our system database, that this between this time frame the peak is high, database used memory peak is high. Okay. So then you take the screenshot if you want from this time frame whatever it is showing, then you filter the job, these are the number of jobs ran for this or the duration. And when check the stat analysis, it has provided this particular program has caused this, you know slowness or peak usage of used database memory. And it did perform this insertion of this table in a database. So everything you can provide and gather some information, and you will be providing it to your customer or to your whosoever person who is concerned. Okay. So this is how we do performance analysis for database in application. The same thing can be done in ana studio as well. Okay. So again you will get similar kind of chart here, same thing, no, nothing changes. Okay,
Okay.
so everything you will get. And again, you can even check the database tables. If you have any table name, standard table name, provide me, I will show you how do we fetch it from here in this application. Like
From select query.
yeah, select, just select, that's it. You can only do select. Okay, you can fetch all the database table. Okay, name here. If in case user is locked, how do we unlock it using database query? So all the stuffs can be done even here as well as in Dana Studio. And I'm really sorry because the server is too slow. You can
No,
able to
no,
see.
no, no problem. No problem.
Okay, so I will get this updated to our team ZebLearn. Uh, I will get them notified about the slowness, and I'll get the users separately for this training if you have enrolled.
But
So
we have we have already server. You can give training in your server also, in quality server.
sorry.
We have a server also in quality and depth server. Not I am asking for the product prod server. You can give training on our server also.
Definitely. See, most of my training, what I'll do if you
Uh,
enrolled it, and if you choose me to take your sessions, then
uh,
what I do, I will never log in this thing. Okay. From ZebLearn, you will be getting the credential. I will make you to log in. I will instruct, do this, do that. So then
uh.
it will be like you will be doing that. So which means,
Indirectly, very good. Take a good knowledge. One thing. Just a Vignesh, interrupt one thing. Are you covered this SQ01 query reports? Are you covered this training session?
I'm sorry. Can you say it again? What code you're saying?
Query reports which is in SAP SQ01, SQ02.
There is no SQ01, SQ02.
The SQ01 is query reports.
Is it okay? SQ01 and SQ02. As a basis consultant, I never gone through this SQ01 and SQ02. Okay, I have never used this.
Build a report. This query
Uh,
report. There's a separate tables
okay,
and
got
SQ01.
it. Query using standard program reports.
Uh-huh.
Okay, fine. We can do.
This,
We can go
this is a
through.
good one because of one of our call is a very small time you can generate a report. Just query reports.
Got it. Got it. Understood. Yeah. So, I mean, you create the report you're saying.
We have without any ABAPAR, without any help of
Web
ABAPAR
lab.
and basis, we can
Uh-huh.
create a small report also. Not only small report, you can create a good report also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Actually, to create a report, we'll use SE38 on other
Uh,
side. I'm not sure you have used SE38. That is
mm,
where we create reports.
mm.
One minute, I will try to log in now. SE report is there where you will create program. Okay, so 1 minute. Yeah, Vijit. So this is a small demo which I given.
Yeah,
So from
definitely.
okay.
Thank you. Great one.
So you from application part, how do you manage the load? How will you monitor the load? Okay.
Okay.
So because why I have given you that, because if not all the places or not all customer will provide you database access. You will only have
Okay.
application access where you need to monitor all the stuffs. Okay. So
Okay.
in that case, this sort of things use, because when I was working 8 years back, initial days, they will never provide
Mm,
me database access. Okay, so
mm.
that time I am working for Delta Airlines, US ka leading airlines group. Okay, so they have a weekly I need to send them a database report.
Okay.
What is their database used memory, peak used memory? Okay, and
Mm,
why that is peak at that time? So I need to send them analysis.
mm.
So if even what to say, if something causes system slowness, immediately what we do is we'll check this load history, what went wrong, why the database use memory is high. Okay, you can, as you have a database access, it's good. Then you will have alert monitoring, everything is there. There is some report. Okay, there is some program where you will get alert through your mail. There are a lot of stuffs there, you can do it. Okay,
Mm.
cool. We'll be going through everything in this as part of this training. Any other questions you can ask? If not, then we'll
Hey,
close this
Vivian, one
video.
thing more, just I'm asking one thing. You know the better user, what our background. We are
Uh,
working in a multinational company as a task and working in last couple of years. We are working with SAP, but we have no good knowledge in Basis as well as SAP.
cool,
But
no
our
issues.
I'm asking our main motto or reason for the taking training, not for finding any job or other, just
Understood,
find.
understood. I completely
And
understood,
all
Abhijit.
are
As
all are bit experienced in the other field, in the IT field. One
Mhm.
one one of his colleagues is working last 10 to 12 years in the IT and server and networking. Another one is
No,
working for others. So main objective of this training, I think it is to understand you understand the point.
mhm. I completely understand when you spoke initially before I start
And
the demo.
certification
That
and
you
others
you
are
you
not
see
big for us.
this syllabus is not for you people. Simple, I can say.
Exactly. Just
Okay.
exactly. Normally,
The general
product
syllabus
syllabus
is
not
not for you.
ideal.
Okay.
Uh,
I will tell you, like, you are already working, you are already using Ana, it's really good. So then what I do, I will directly tell you, like, this is how.
according to our knowledge, according to our current scenario, you just have to regenerate your modules,
Exactly. All right. You're
training
right.
modules.
Exactly. Understood.
Normal training modules are not. I am interested in normal training
No,
module.
no, I completely understood. That's what this syllabus is not for you. I'll take, make it simple, and I'll make it,
Uh,
consider that we are working together.
we were working 3 4 hours, 4 5 hours in per day in SAP over SAP in
Okay.
different module.
Okay.
So SAP is some you just have to guide us and have to outline and have to how the basis is working and how it's and your modules and sub modules should be arranged according to our requirement.
Mm-hmm. Understood. Understood, Avijit. Cool. Yeah, that's what I completely understand. That is how we, going to uh, tell you
So
about this training.
take any training from the any others institute. So before to get take training, so I need the interaction of the who will give a trainer, who will give the training for us. So it is more important than the institute.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I understood. Cool, Avijit. Yeah, I completely understand your, requirement.
Hmm.
So definitely, that is how it
According
is going to be. That is how, based on your
ZebLearn technology, how the how our training session will do and how develop module and how the module subject in the module,
Mhm.
which module is covered in the in basis.
See, basis itself a module, Avijit.
There are also some model which will you cover, not for the create a user, not create a
No, no,
role,
no, 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 no.
admin role,
That
not
is some
required for that.
administrative stuff.
Huh.
Am I right? That is administrative stuff. See, okay, I will tell you. Have you anytime did a EWM work module? As part of what basis will it does there? EWM,
EW?
EWM, extended warehouse management.
No, no, no,
That's a
no
module.
idea. Huh.
There are few SPRO activations you need to do. So these things, everything will be covering you. Okay. So you
So what
basically
is the
work.
difference between basis and administrative module? What is the difference between
See,
two?
simple.
Basic difference?
I think you're a bit. I'm not sure whether you're confused or you're clear. See, I will tell you. Basis is some administrative task, technical stuffs where you do all this. Okay,
Okay.
like setting up the system, doing an upgradation. Okay,
Huh.
monitoring, even user creation
Huh.
is a simple basis work, but you are already a 20 years experience, and user
Okay.
creation already you're doing it as a regular thing now, right? And
Okay.
user creation, job creation, job, SM36 and SM37 job creation, all the stuffs.
Hmm.
Then STMS configuration. Have you are moving a transport, but how does the transport
Tier movement.
movement is
Tier two.
working in sorry.
Tier. Are you
uh,
asking for the tier movement?
TR is what? Transport request.
Transport request.
Okay. So transport request, you're saying that transport request movement, you move transports everything, but do you have any idea how it works in background? How
No.
they move that from development to quality, quality to production, everything?
Huh.
Yeah,
But
so
I
that
do that here from quality develop dev to quality to
that's
production.
what that part of work will be covering here. And again, upgradation, kernel upgrade and host agent
As a
upgrade,
question.
SP upgrade, and release upgrade. So all this
Okay.
upgrade stuffs, and installing a SAP system. Okay,
Okay.
using SWPM tool. On what is that? What is that? Again, some basis work related to
Hmm.
some function model like EWM. So what a basis resource will do. So this part I'll cover. That's not a big deal. Okay.
Okay.
And also SLT configuration, right? LTR, SLT configuration using LTRC, that I will tell you. And again, when it comes to ANA DB upgrade, ANA DB installation, monitoring, and you have asked before, what is that? Mm, how to fetch a data.
How to fetch it
Uh,
exactly?
Again, Anna, it's very simple. You have a query for everything. There is
Okay.
one thing I will tell you that will make you life easy, but that will be told when
I
you in.
also cover the OData also, OData for API.
That's what. See, your requirement. We can do that. So team will talk to you. Like Anish is there and
Oh,
ZebLearn team is there.
sure, sure,
They will talk to you for all this requirement.
sure, sure.
Yeah, hi Abhijit.
Hi, hi,
Yeah,
hi,
Abhijit, if you have the technical questions, now you ask with the Vignesh. Okay, so rest of the details
I'm very happy
when
with the Vignesh approach and his attitude. Very, I am just happy with him, and I just
that's
go.
great. That's great.
I already told Vignesh to how as our background, as our colleagues' background, working in the
Oh,
company, and so there is a I will ask him to reschedule the modules. Normal standard module I am not required. Actually model he understand what module we have required for our company. So please request you to not go for the standard module, go for the one module we just really required in our organization.
definitely, definitely. Definitely, no worry about it. Actually, I have before this meeting, I have already shared these things to the Vignesh sir as well. Okay, and by tomorrow we will connect you the call for the process. Okay,
Okay, which time you will normally is called tomorrow?
uh, sorry.
Which time normally you will call tomorrow?
In the afternoon, like around 12 p.m.
You just call me in between 11:30 to 12.
11:30 to 12, right?
Yeah, I'm okay
Okay,
doing
okay,
same.
sure, sure. Okay, okay, sure, sure, sure. No problem. Okay,
Okay, okay,
okay, okay.
okay.
Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Vignesh.
Thank
Thank
you. Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a good
Thank you.
night.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, good night.